Russia's approval of the antiviral drug Avifavir to treat COVID-19 is good news for India, as it is based on an influenza medication already in advanced clinical trials in India. Mumbai-based Glenmark Pharmaceuticals announced last week that Favipiravir is under Phase 3 clinical trials, the penultimate stage in drug testing in India. Glenmark is conducting Phase 3 clinical trials of Favipiravir as a COVID-19 therapy option with 150 patients enrolled from 9 leading government and private hospitals across India. So far, 30 patients have been randomized. The monotherapy Phase 3 clinical trial results are expected by July or August 2020, the company said in a statement last week. Glenmark said it is the first pharmaceutical company to receive approval from Drug Regulator Drug Controller General of India DCGI to conduct Favipiravir clinical trials against COVID-19 in India. Avifavir, described by its developers in Russia as perhaps the most promising anti-COVID-19 drug in the world, is derived from Favipiravir. The close derivative link between Avifavir and Favipiravir is reason for hope in India too, said scientists of India. Favipiravir is available under the name of Avigan for influenza and is often recommended for viral infections such as Borneo virus, filovirus and arenavirus. It is prescribed for severe fever with thrombocytopenia syndrome, a viral hemorrhagic fever with high fatality rate, and is effective against all strains of influenza viruses. Avifavir, developed by a joint venture between RDIF and Kemrar Group, is designed to disrupt the ability of the novel coronavirus to reproduce. Avifavir is a drug that, as per available information, is being tested by Russia against COVID-19 and is based on Favipiravir, a drug that is known to have inhibitory function against RNA-dependent RNA polymerase (RDRP) activity of a virus. RNA-dependent RNA polymerase is an essential protein encoded in the genes of RNA-containing viruses. Favipiravir has been shown earlier to inhibit the influenza virus RNA-dependent RNA polymerase. RNA polymerase is a viral enzyme that helps in replication or reproduction of the viral RNA, that is the genetic material. Hence, a drug that inhibits this activity would basically curb the functional multiplication of the virus.